Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Season's greetings! Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with another 1 minute of motivation. Now, I would love to work with you, so why not come into my calendar at ldlcall.com, book your free call, and I'll be calling you back. So let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Nothing is ever easy, but why would the good stuff be? If getting great results was so easy, then everyone would be doing it, wouldn't they? So, for whatever stage you're at now, always forget about the elevator. Take those steps one by one, and eventually you will reach that top floor, whatever that looks like for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.